Hi, I'm Tamara from the EFT Training Centre. So the first tapping point is the side of the hand, and it can be either hand and either side. You can do it this way, or this way. And this point is known as the karate chop point, and it's where you say the setup statement. And the setup statement generally goes like this: even though I have this problem, and then you say something positive, such as, I deeply and completely accept myself, I accept myself, I'm okay. And the problem can be something like a headache, it can be in a negative emotion like anxiety or fear. It could be an ache or a pain that you have. So it would be, even though I have this headache, I accept myself anyway. That would be an example. And then we tap through the points, starting with the top of the head, and use all your fingers to cover this point, which is called the 100 meeting point. And what we say on each of these points is a reminder phrase. So this problem, this headache, this anxiety. And then we move to the eyebrow point. You can do both sides, one side, either side. And it's just at the beginning of the eyebrow. And again, you just repeat the reminder phrase, this problem. And then the side of the eye, which is at the end of the eyebrow, and again, repeat the reminder phrase. And really, when you're tapping, you don't need to tap for a long time like while I'm explaining. You can just simply do about 7 taps, but you don't really need to count them either. And then the under the eye points, both hands, one hand, this problem. And then under the nose, this problem. And under the lower lip, this problem. And then we come to the collarbone point, which is an inch down and an inch across from the dip in your throat. But if you're not sure, then just use the whole side of your hand and just tap slightly to one side, or you can do both sides. And just say the reminder phrase, this problem. And the final point is under the arm on the bra strap for women and parallel to the nipple for men. And again, you can do it this way or just one side. And then we repeat all the points again. So this problem, 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 this problem. So just to recap, we tap on the side of the hand stating the setup statement, and then we tap all the way through the points twice. And what we do before and after each round is we assess the level of intensity of the problem on a scale from 0 to 10, which is known as the SUD scale. So 0 means we're completely calm, neutral and light, and 10 means it's the most intense ever. So when you start working with EFT, you assess the level of the intensity of the problem, and when you finish a round, you assess it again. Now the idea is that we get the SUD level down to 0. If it's still not a 0 after one round, we keep repeating the tapping rounds until we come to 0. So on subsequent rounds, instead of saying, even though I have this problem, we say, even though I have some of this problem left. So the whole setup statement would be, even though I have some of this problem left, I accept myself anyway. And then when we tap through the points, instead of saying this problem, we say this remaining problem. So this remaining headache or this remaining anxiety. So that's how you do EFT. I'm going to make another video, and in that video I'll explain what you can do if the SUD level doesn't go down.